The Gas Sensor Development Kit, or CM200, is a printed circuit board designed to seamlessly integrate with CO2Meter's select gas sensors and provide customers with built-in pins for an easy drop-in solution. Whether you are evaluating production code, building prototypes, or in need of a full software development platform, the CM200 is the right technology for you. The CM200 can use CO2Meter's free GasLab data logging software for users to be able to analyze and store their data, as well as scale for project analysis, trends, communication commands, and reporting. To start, you will need a GSS sensor, CO2Meter's gas sensor development kit, and the USB-C cord that comes with the development kit to connect to the computer. To connect the sensors to the board, simply align the pins to the board and insert. On the board, you will find indicators stating where the different sensors would fit. Plug in the USB-C and flip the power switch on the side of the board. If you don't already have the GasLab software, head to CO2Meter.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click the link Software Downloads. That will take you to an overview of the GasLab software where you can download from there. Open the GasLab software. Choose your port option. You will more than likely only have one port option, but if you do have more than one, you may actually be missing drivers on your PC. Choose the given sensor and series, then click Connect. Once connected, the sensor will plot your first data point. From there, you can continue plotting points manually by clicking the Plot Sensor button underneath the sensor commands. To learn more about the GasLab software, please watch our GasLab software overview video. You can find the link in the description. Next, we'll be demonstrating how to connect a GSS sensor to Arduino. First, you will need a GSS sensor, a CM200 gas sensor development kit found on CO2Meter.com, one Arduino Uno board, and a USB-A to B cable. Connect the sensor to the gas sensor development kit, then align the pins of the development kit to the Arduino Uno board and plug in the USB-A to B cable. To download example code and learn more about the CM200, find our GitHub repository link in the description of the product page on CO2Meter.com. Once you have Arduino open, choose Arduino Uno in the drop-down and click the arrow button. Your sensor will begin showing readings. Next, we'll be demonstrating how to connect a GSS sensor to Raspberry Pi. You will need a GSS sensor, a CM200 gas sensor development kit found on CO2Meter.com, Raspberry Pi, breadboard jumper wires, and a USB-C. Connect the sensor to the gas sensor development board. Plug in one side of the breadboard jumper wires to the Raspberry Pi and the other side to the development board. Then connect the USB-C and turn on the power switch. Once you open Raspberry Pi and click Run, the sensor will begin showing readings. Next, we'll be demonstrating how to connect a GSS sensor to Raspberry Pi Zero. You will need a GSS sensor, a CM200 gas sensor development kit found on CO2Meter.com, a Raspberry Pi Zero board, a USB micro to USB-A cable, and an HDMI mini to HDMI adapter cable. Connect the sensor to the gas sensor development board, then connect the USB micro and HDMI mini into the Raspberry Pi Zero. Plug the USB-C into the gas sensor development board and align the pins of the gas sensor development board to the Raspberry Pi Zero board. Then turn on the power switch on the gas sensor development kit. If you need example code or to learn more about the CM200, find our GitHub repository link in the description of the product page on CO2Meter.com. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please call us at 877-678-4259 or email us at sales@co2meter.com. To get your own gas sensor development kit, find the link in the description or head over to co2meter.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe.